Hi everyone! I wanted to make a note because I've seen that some people have been editing the labor log. I can see quite a few people have edited the document and then their edits were changed because you didn't follow the instructions and make a copy in your own Google Drive folder. So if you want to use this version of the labor log, you need to make a copy into your own Google Drive folder. So go ahead and click File and click Make a Copy and choose what you want to name your labor log copy. So I would say Fall, let's see, English 101, labor log, Fall 2020. And choose what folder you want it to be in. So if you have folders set up on Google Drive, you can choose where you want them to be. Otherwise, it will just go straight into your Google Drive folder and you'll be able to find it there. So I've chosen that, and then I want to go ahead and click OK. And once I click OK, this is my copy. So now you can see here, it's in my drive. And it's named the name that I made it as opposed to the copy of labor log 3. So if you choose to use this spreadsheet as your labor log, that's totally great. Just make sure that you make a copy of the original, because if you don't, then any changes that you make to this document won't be saved. So if you have not made a copy and you made changes to this document, please follow these instructions and go back through and make a copy of the labor log into your own Google Drive folder, and then make the changes there, and then you can share this link with me when you submit your labor log for the week. Thanks!